Welcome to episode 2 of season Face Yoga for Face Shape. So today I'm going to talk about a very different reason for change in your face shape, and that is due to the loss of fat in your face as a result of rapid weight loss. Have you heard of multiple celebrities of late undergoing rapid weight loss with this sensational medication called OZEMPIC? Today I'm going to talk about how its one benefit is costing you your youthful looks and how face yoga can help you avoid changing your face due to this now popular term OZEMPIC face. So what is OZEMPIC? OZEMPIC is a medication that is developed to treat type 2 diabetes. But it has become a go-to medication that causes quick, rapid weight loss. Some may call it the added advantage of this medication, but people have started using it even without the diabetic health condition because they want to lose weight fast. But what came along with it is that unexpected, haggard-looking face that is associated with any kind of rapid weight loss. The medication causes weight loss by decreasing hunger, therefore the amount of food you eat. Many celebrities on TikTok in recent months have shared their weight loss and skinny looks thanks to this medication, but a lot of them have experienced side effects on skin aging, and quite a few of them have actually even shared it too. Hence, OZEMPIC has become popular and has a name associated to the haggard face that leads to OZEMPIC face. Losing weight rapidly has multiple side effects on your appearance. Why? Because it doesn't just affect your body fat volume, but also the volume of the fat pads in your face. It is a direct effect of weight loss. A quick change becomes obviously more noticeable than any typical gradual weight loss process. Fat pads shifting down completely change the shape of your face. People experience this kind of rapid change in their face and reported that they no longer recognize their face. It changes that fast and you look different. Even New York Times has written about it. Let's understand that any kind of fast weight loss is not necessarily associated with just OZEMPIC, but anytime someone loses a rapid amount of weight fast, like if you're on Atkins diet, OZEMPIC, gastric bypass, or stress, or even weight loss due to any kind of health condition, their face will show the hollowness right around here in their mid-face. Today, I want to show you some amazing face exercises to help you avoid sagging in this part that can quickly develop from any kind of weight loss method like OZEMPIC. Try these 2 moves that I'm sharing and keep listening to why you need to develop cheek muscles, especially in this area, to control your overall face shape. To me, this is the most important muscle if you want to look youthful for longer. So here's move number 1. Pretty simple. Hold your nasolabial fold in a C with an index finger. So right side with your right index finger, press it down so there is no movement or there is no contortion or folding of your nasolabial fold right around here. Now you're going to twist your mouth in that direction, because see what happens when you don't press the finger here and twist your mouth? You get those lines and folds. We don't want that. So press it down between your finger and twist your mouth. So you stretch this side. Don't overstretch. If you've been following my channel, you know one thing that I do not ask you to overstretch in any exercise. So gently, just so that you can isolate the muscles here while you move on to the next step. And this is where you're going to use your tongue to massage your nasolabial fold from inside. So watch me perform this exercise on the other side of the screen and keep listening. So when you're doing this, if you have high cheekbones, you won't show the hollowness easily in this area. But if you have weak cheek muscles, you will start to notice it right here. Take a look at some of these pictures to understand what I'm talking about. It almost looks like your cheek fat is scooped out of this area. Now one more notch forward and you will see it go lower. So this hollowness starts to go down. Now in the next phase, you start seeing marionette lines. Under eyes look a lot more sunken because this skin is being dragged down. And you will also see hanging skin under your chin. When weight loss in your face happens gradually over time, with age or with regular workouts or controlled diet, changes in your face are much slower. Notice that even when you go on a low-fat diet or increase your fat-burning workouts, especially like long-distance running, you will notice more of that haggard runner's face. Because once the fat is gone, your skin has nothing to hold on to because of that fat displacement. So this is the area where you start to notice more sunken effect. Plus now you have those multiple vertical laugh lines on your nasolabial fold. So it's not just one nasolabial fold, it multiplies and it also develops into your sagging jowl. So many disadvantages of this. No wonder why people can't accept their new face with so many rapid changes happening in your face at the same time that can really age you fast. But before we move forward, let me introduce my 21-day face yoga for beginners program. Blush with me-Parmita is the sponsor of the day. My 21-day face yoga course is a good place to pursue a regulated face workout routine that I have designed myself for people like you who want to pursue preventing aging faster than you notice on your face as compared to how you looked in the recent past. And I can tell you that it is possible to look better with age without any invasive treatments. Link to this upcoming course will be in my description below the video. In the meantime, upon your request, I am hosting a face yoga masterclass on this date. It is a live masterclass and it will also be linked in my description below. In case you cannot join it on this date and you're seeing this video after the masterclass, you can still find access to this masterclass on my website. But do join this masterclass if you like my today's face yoga routine in today's video and if you prioritize investing in your self-care routine. After that move, I need to let my cheek muscles relax a little bit. This whole area, including this area, is on fire. Okay, I think I'm ready for move number 2, but don't go anywhere. I have something else as third tip that is going to be very helpful. So keep listening till the end of this video. For move number 2, I want you to isolate both your nasolabial folds, either like this or just like this. So this is what the exercise looks like. I want you to isolate both your nasolabial folds between your index fingers like this. And now you're just going to smile and release. Hold the smile for a couple of seconds and release. Do this for about 1 minute to 3 minutes at a time. As you can see me on the other side of the screen, I'm doing it for 1 minute. Join me. Notice how my fingers are not only restricting my nasolabial folds from folding, but they're also engaging my cheek muscles a lot more because now my cheek muscles have to work much harder because of this resistance here to lift up and down, and that is how you're going to start developing more muscles in this part. So when you're watching the video there, notice the movement in this part. So either of these devices would help you for the next movement. Either a jade roller, if you have a wand like this, please get it. I will link this my special wand in the description below for you. Or your third option is to get Amiro Pro's R1. I use this on the blue light mode. Let me show you really quick. So if you have a jade roller, you could roll it on your jowls. So use a jade roller on your jowls. One is in this direction and one is right underneath. So you're covering both these areas, the frontal and the one right underneath your jawline, right here. Don't put too much pressure, but it's cool. It's really good. It relaxes your facial muscles too. So if you notice those sagging jowls, this kind of movement will help. The second is this special magical wand that I truly believe in. This is yet another device that I absolutely love where you can rotate it. It does not tug your skin because imagine, like, can you move your finger in a circular motion on your face? You can't. But this device can literally go in any space and you can rotate it. So you would do the same on any area here where you feel there is lump. So if you notice a change in the shape of your jawline, those sagging jowls, go ahead and gently knead it in circular motion. I cover this extensively in my one-on-one face yoga sessions. But at least you're getting an idea of what this looks and feels like, at least in one area. And the third is AmiroPro's R1. These are some of the devices that I really wanted to introduce that you can use in sculpting your face. So this is AmiroPro's R1. I'm going to use it on the blue light mode. Right now it's on red light and now it is on the blue light mode. Amiro has not sponsored this video, but I did review this product a few months ago. I will link the video here so you understand how this mode creates deeper contraction under your skin for faster results, as it works on specific muscle groups in your face, as it has these 6 electrodes that penetrate 3mm radio frequency beneath your skin to stimulate collagen production. Typically when you use it with a gel that it comes with or with your water-based serums. So this utilizes gentle electrical impulses to create waves of muscle contractions. And these deep muscle contractions are just like the deep muscle contractions that you get when you're doing, say, your ab contractions or when you're doing your bicep curls. So these contractions strengthen your muscles deep into your face and they lift your face and improve your cellular metabolism. And no, you don't need to go to a dermatologist. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars for one treatment when you can get this treatment literally every day at home. So I typically use the red light mode one day and the blue light mode on the other day. And they both have their own significance and importance in your skincare routine. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video, but I do have a code 𝙀𝙀𝙀. That's it. Use it and get a special discount on your own AmiroPro R1. Please spend a couple of minutes when you check out my description below this video, because I have some valuable links, discounts, skincare products, suggestions of what videos you should be watching right after you finish this video, and my other social media handles that you should follow me on. So this was one of the videos on my face yoga for face shape season. Do watch other episodes that are also linked up here. They are still being filmed, so they are coming up shortly. So I'll keep adding more episodes to this season and I need your input for that. Tell me, what is it about your face shape that is changing, that you're noticing? So be it double chin, your chubby face, your facial asymmetry, volume loss. Face yoga has efficient methods to sculpt your face and gain not only a sharper jawline that we talked about in today's video, but also give you that eyebrow lift, improve collagen in your skin, blood circulation, and ultimately it helps you develop that confidence in your beauty that you are probably starting to lose with age. Or also, if you don't want to start losing it, so you can start using face yoga as a preventative method in your beauty routine. With face yoga, you can do it all without any invasive procedures. I highly recommend that you sign up for the masterclass and for the 21-day face yoga program. I'll see you next week with the topic that you helped me choose. So please share your suggestions and your concerns about anything that is affecting your confidence. You're welcome to join my channel membership. You see that join button? Click that below this video. This will give you an opportunity to come closer in my community and interact with me. You'll also get some exclusive content that others don't get. I'm a self-image coach and I'm pretty certain that I have answers to anything that is related to your self-image, your body language, your personal style, your makeup, your beauty, your lifestyle changes that can completely transform the way you look at yourself and the way others perceive you. Face yoga is a very important part of my teachings. A very important note: when you're performing my exercises, do not repeat the same exercise every day. Just do it 2 to 3 times a week. On that note, I will take your leave and I'll see you next week. Until then, with that sharper jawline, blush with me.